that today. Upgrading my helmet. Let's unbox it. It's wide open. We work for the underdogs, the hard chargers, privateers, and the pioneers. We dare them to live wide open. Oh, nice bag, huh? Yeah. Yeah, so this is the unboxing. The belt. Moto 9S Flex. Picked it up on Amazon. Check out the links below. Oh, look at that, huh? Nice. Yeah. Those are the emergency releases. Oh, you know what's the best part about this? This right here is magnetic. No more trying to button that fucking thing constantly. But this has the eject system inside. It's got the pull-outs just in case you have a bad accident. They need to pull you out. Also has all the things to remove. But yeah, look at that. Very nice. I love this colorway. Silver and black. Goes with everything. Check it out. Let's put this on, man. Let's put this thing on. I'm so excited, man. You guys don't even know. Cool shit, man. This is sick. Sick. Sick, I tell you. Okay. So this is the large, which is my size, but I'm on the edge of a large. I could take a medium, but it's really tight. So, but this here, not tight at all, but definitely not any loose. So if you're on the smaller side of a large, this fits perfect. I can't wait to get this out in the fucking woods, man. Sick. Motor Heart 579. I'm out. Buy this. Use my link in the description so I can get a little bit of a commission. It doesn't cost you anything extra. They're clearing these out, and I think they were around $500 originally. I paid $320 for this thing. Sick. Oh. Let's do the bonus. I got a bonus for you here. This game's good. So let's see what's in the bag. Oh, look at that. Tell me that don't match the beta. My goodness. Love these gloves. So comfortable. So nice. Look at that with the leather. Oh my God. I'm like a kid at Christmas right now. Yeah. Sick helmet. Sick gloves. Sick bike. Like and subscribe.